Hello my friends! Today I have the Clear Jelly Stamper Subscription Box. I had a lot of trouble with this so far. I had a problem with my account. I had a problem where this box showed up and it was empty. Oh no! And then there was some issues with filing the claim, and anyway, it's just been kind of a headache, but the customer service at CJS has been really nice. They've been super helpful, and I don't even remember what this is. I don't know if I even saw the plate or not, but let's take a look what's in here. Okay, so I've got a stamper here, a double stamper. I actually have a couple of these already, so I'm not gonna open this. But it looks like this, except without that branding. Yes, I needed this today for real. So we've got a little instructions. Got 2 plates, it looks like. And they're kind of, this one is a summer beach theme. The beach is calling, surf's up, summer. I've got a little VW van, that's so cute. The flamingo float, coconut drink, the little surfer girl, that's super cute. There's another one, I love her. Aloha, very cute. Oh yeah, here's the, here's everything together, layered. I really like these girls. Those are really cool. Make like a hippie girl kind of manicure. Then here's the other one, which is kind of a French tip one. French tip's not my fave. These are pretty cool. I like the shapes here. I think that could be kind of handy for different things. And of course layering. That's the big thing about CJS, right, is the layers. So there we go. There is our subscription box for, I believe this was supposed to be for May. And I host the Manny and Me collab over on Instagram, and I know that not as many people are subscribed to the CJS box, but I'm wondering if I should do a collab for that one. If you're a subscriber for CJS, leave a comment and let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, especially if you're on Instagram, of course. And I guess the themes are pretty different for each plate, so I don't know how it would work exactly. Maybe just using the plates of the month, because for the MXM collab, you don't need to use the Maniology plates or the MXM plates. You can just kind of use whatever is on theme. So this will maybe be a little bit different. And just to recap what a collab is, on Instagram, a group of people get into a little chat room, and when you create your manicure, you submit a photo into the chat room, and then we all ooh and ah over it. And then at the end of the deadline, I will gather up all the manicures and make them into a collage. And I also make a little video, and then you will post your manicure with the collage and the video if you want to your Instagram feed, and then you tag the collab, and then everybody can kind of spread the love around all of the themed manicures, and it's really fun. And I don't know any other kind of like Instagram communities that do this, so if you're interested in that, hit me up on Instagram, Zen Stamping. And this is my first CJS box, so if you have questions, I don't know if I'll be able to answer them, but looking forward to using these. Thank you, CJS, for helping me through all of my trials and tribulations. I really appreciate it. All right, y'all, well, until next time.